Hey everybody, it's Kendra. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before. My video today is going to be a very large Thrive Market haul and unboxing, because I have a giant box here from Thrive Market, and also another one here, a little bit smaller. Thrive Market has been running some really good promos and freebies recently, so I just kind of stocked up on all of my essentials and supplements and whatnot. Also, I do want to mention that this week, actually, my Thrive Market membership renews, and I am going to renew it because I love Thrive Market, and no, they're not paying me to say that. I just love it. I get most of my non-perishables and also like some cleaning products and a lot of my supplements. Like most of my supplements that I don't get at my naturopath, I get from Thrive Market. Their prices are really good. I just love them. So anyway, let's get into my little haul, my very big haul. Okay, the big box. I don't even remember what I ordered. That always happens. The freebie in the first order was this Primal Kitchen collagen peptides, and that is why this box is so heavy, because in order to get this, you had to spend $79. Usually it's like $49 to get their freebie, but this stuff is legit expensive. So yeah, they upped the minimum order to $79. So I've never tried the Primal Kitchen grass-fed collagen peptides. I have tried the Vital Proteins one and also the Thrive Market brand. Like Thrive Market has their own private label brand of collagen peptides, and that's generally the one that I get just because it is way more affordable than Vital Proteins. Vital Proteins is good, but it's really expensive. But anyway, I can always use this. So I think for this, you had to buy one actual Primal Kitchen product and then have your total be like $79. Next, I got this Organic India Tulsi Turmeric Ginger Tea. One of my girlfriends back home has been telling me about this one and how it's amazing. So had to try that. That's been on my list for a while. Also, I picked up a thing of organic shortening. So this has red palm and coconut oil, and this is by the Nutiva brand. And I really trust the Nutiva brand because I know with like palm shortening, it can be really bad, I believe, for orangutans. But this one apparently is like safe, like it's not harming the environment of the orangutans. I needed a thing of palm shortening the other day. I was making gluten-free, dairy-free, I don't know, every other thing free, chocolate chip cookies, and I couldn't find palm shortening like locally for a decent price. So I've been meaning to get this. But my cookies, I actually used butter flavored coconut oil. Oh, they were so good. Next, I got a jar of these Divina organic pitted green olives. Did I only get one? I feel like I may have gotten two. No, I only got one. Oh, my favorite olives. I eat them every day. They're fab. This was the product I actually bought from Primal Kitchen in order to get the freebie. This is the Primal Kitchen Caesar dressing. I've tried the Primal Kitchen Green Goddess dressing, and that one's good. So yeah, I was excited to see how the Caesar one tasted. It looks decent. Maybe I'll try that today. That looks pretty nice. Okay, next I have 2 bottles of vitamin D3 from the brand Country Life. This is the 5000 IU strength. I take one of these every day. My husband takes 2 of them every day. Vitamin D is super important for so many functions in the body. I would definitely suggest if you live like anywhere that has a winter that's cold and gray, get your vitamin D levels tested because they're probably low and it can just mess up so many things in your body. Okay, next, I'm really excited to try this product. I wanted to get a more non-toxic nail polish remover. So this is actually the only one that Thrive Market has. It's called Piggy Paint Nail Polish Remover. So apparently Piggy Paint is a brand of nail polish. This is their more non-toxic, eco-friendly nail polish remover. I shall report back on this. I also got a face cream from Acure. I actually have the night version of this. This is their Brilliantly Brightening Day Cream. I'm really excited to try this because I really like the night cream that I've been using. For the day, I have been using a product from this brand Trilogy, but it's kind of expensive. Really like it, but I'm hoping I love this even more because this is like really affordable. Now, this is really why this thing weighs a ton. This is a big honkin' container of shampoo, body wash, bubble bath. So this is the Everyone soap, 3-in-1 shampoo, body wash, and bubble bath, and this is the coconut lemon scent. See how it smells. Oh, that smells yummy. Oh, that lemon smells so good, so bright and chipper. Really excited to use this. Again, I've been really trying to like clean up my act with all my beauty products and everything. So yeah, really excited about that one. All right, and my last product, feel free to blame me when you get addicted to these because these are so good and I'm so addicted myself. These are chocolate bars by the brand Hue Kitchen, I believe, like human Hue. Oh my gosh, these things are freaking amazing. So good and like super clean, super healthy. Thrive Market had actually done a freebie of a couple of these chocolate bars, like 2 different varieties of the Hue chocolate bars. And I got them and I was so hooked. I mean, these things are kind of expensive. It's like $5-6 a chocolate bar, but it is worth every penny and it is so fab. And these things are clean and they're delicious. So it says no gluten, no dairy, no refined sugar, no GMOs, no cane sugar, no emulsifiers, no sugar alcohols, no soy lecithin. So this one is my favorite. Oh my gosh, cashew butter and pure vanilla bean dark chocolate. Oh, so good. It kind of has this like creamy cashew like chocolatey vanilla center. Oh my god, it's amazing. The ingredients in this: organic fair trade cacao, cashew, unrefined coconut, organic coconut sugar, organic fair trade cocoa butter, vanilla bean, sea salt. Amazing. Keep this in mind because my next box is all chocolate. Okay, and moving right along to my second box, Thrive Market actually had a promo this past week, a few days ago. It was 25% off selected chocolate products, and I saw that Hue Kitchen was included in that, and I just went bananas. Because like I said, they are kind of expensive chocolate bars. The price for these chocolate bars on Thrive Market is better than any price I've seen elsewhere. So then they threw an extra 25% off, and I just went a little bit nuts. Just look at that. Isn't that a thing of beauty? All those chocolate bars floating around in there. Oh, can't wait. Okay, let's see. Which ones did I get? So I believe Hue Kitchen has 6 different types of chocolate bars. So I think with this order, I will have tasted all of them. So I got one of their salty dark chocolate bars. Okay, let's see. I have one cashew one. I know I grabbed a bunch more cashew ones. I think I ordered, yeah, 3 cashew butter and vanilla beans ones. By far my favorite. Oh my god, so good. Yay, I have 5 of those all stocked up. I got one of their simple dark chocolate bars. Have not tried that one yet. Let's see. I got 2 of their hazelnut butter chocolate bars. These are good. I have gone through one of these bars. Very delicious. Still love the cashew one even more. I got one of this one. This vanilla quinoa crispy dark chocolate. Haven't tried that one yet. Very excited too. And then this is their almond butter and puffed quinoa dark chocolate. So this is the other one that was a freebie a couple weeks ago from Thrive Market. So yeah, it was the almond butter and quinoa one and then the cashew butter. My gosh, look at my stash. I am stocked up. I will say I am actually sending a couple of these to a friend for her birthday. But otherwise, these are all going in my tummy. My husband doesn't even like chocolate, and he goes crazy for this. Like, we were actually fighting over the last couple squares of the cashew butter one. And then finally, in the chocolate box, I have 2 bags of these Enjoy Life dark chocolate regular size morsels. These are legit chocolate chips. These are like super allergy friendly. I love these chocolate chips and they taste, I mean, to me, they taste even better than like the chocolate chips have all the junk in them. So these ones, their products, all the Enjoy Life products are free from wheat, dairy, peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, soy, fish, and shellfish. These are the bomb diggity. I actually made a couple batches of like gluten-free, dairy-free cookies last weekend to take to a little French-speaking meetup that I go to. And one of the ladies there was like, oh, I can't have it. Like the chocolate has dairy. And I was like, oh no. Well, au contraire. I was like, actually, do you know the Enjoy Life brand? And she's like, oh yeah, I do. So then she could eat my chocolate chip cookies. These are super, super, super good. I like to always have a couple bags of these on hand. I don't bake a ton, but when I do, I like to make it so they are allergy friendly. All right, so there you go. That's what I ordered from my last 2 Thrive Market orders. I love Thrive Market. I'm always so excited to get a package. It's just so much fun. Also, if you are interested in Thrive Market, I will put a link down in the description box below so that you can get a discount off of your first order or your first 3 orders from Thrive Market. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.